Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video. Now please don't get bored because I've got another set of earbuds, because these are not just any other earbuds. These are PaMu Quiet. This is a new player in the market which has been making a lot of noise, putting a lot of tech into their hardware and coming up with some great product which audiophiles fall in love with. So guys, this is the PaMu Quiet active noise cancellations earbuds, which we're going to talk about today. But before we get on to finding about what these bad boys are made of and what's inside the box, can I please request you to press the subscribe button and the notification icon if you're watching us on YouTube, and if you are watching us on Facebook, please like and follow us there, and across all the channels. Please spread the love by liking, sharing and commenting on our videos, so that we keep getting all the motivation that we need. Getting straight on to finding out what's inside this box. When you look at the box, beautiful looking. They look different. They look very unique. I'm quite curious to find out how this turns out to be and what's this black thing. And pretty much simple after that. And some technical stuff at the back. So straight on to opening it. Ta-da! So guys, here we are. We've got the PaMu Quiet ANC earbuds right here. So I'm going to get rid of this plastic thing first. Brilliant. Aren't they just gorgeous looking? Look at that. Beautiful finish. Beautiful finish. Love it. Love it. I'm going to keep this on the side, find out what's on the other side. Here we've got some standard paperwork. Not of our interest, I believe. We get them packed in everything that we do. So we're going to put this on the side. Then we have, right, two little boxes. We've got one here, which has the additional silicone tips, nicely placed there. So if you put this here, and you can save it wherever you like. And the next one has, looks like cables. Let's find out. There you go. Right, the next one has a nice little pouchy. Very thoughtful to carry your wires and everything along, or maybe you want to keep your case there. You're going to get into that. A tiny little Type-C cable and a string to hang your PaMu around your neck or around your wrist, whichever way you like. So yeah, well, there we go. So now you've got a hanging PaMu always with you, and safe and secure, and a tiny little pouch to carry it, and a wire. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to get rid of this box here. On the side, here we go guys. So guys, we have the PaMu earbuds right here. These are active noise cancellation. So let's look at inside of it. Man, will you marry me? That's how it opens up. Press that little button here, and you've got these earbuds right here, nicely packed up. So, brilliant. Let's get on to talking about a little bit tech about it. You know, these are, as I said, I mean, these are just not ordinary earbuds which you get. They are PaMu Quiet. Now, this is a new brand which is making a lot of noise in the audio tech space. And this is one of their flagship propositions, and this is lovely. This is not one of those cheap buds that you can buy off various online platforms. This is absolutely a unique looking, beautiful looking case. Beautiful finish, leather, branding amazing. And then the earbuds inside, very small and slick. So, active noise cancellation, CVS8, that can reduce noise up to 40 dBs. Now, what does that mean? You get great experience, immersive sound, whether you're watching your videos or listening to your music. But even if the vacuum is running next to you, when you talk about 40 dB, it's almost as running a vacuum next to you and you still only hear is a humming sound. Which put together gives you amazing quality of sound. Now, where does that come from? That comes from a 10mm driver, which enhances the depth of the bass and everything, which is titanium diaphragm, which delivers that amazing ductility that you look for and give you that absolute high quality on higher frequencies when it, that's the magic of titanium metal. Now, from the look and feel of it, diaphragm, beautiful. Dual chip, they've put in a lot of amazing tech inside it. So they've put in the Qualcomm aptX, which is QCC5124. Combining that with AMS3460, you can say that this is one of the top line now. When you have Qualcomm into it, which normally when we hear Qualcomm, we normally think of mobile phone processors, but having that brand put their partnering with that brand to put that technology inside these shows how serious PaMu is about the quality. Great design, as you can see, fits amazingly in. So jump all you like, dance all you like, run all you like. These bad boys aren't going to go away. And these silicone vents here are designed to equalize the pressure in your ear, so you don't get that stethoscope effect. And you enjoy the comfort of listening to the music instead of feeling that vacuum in your ears. And one thing, of course, Bluetooth 5, pretty standard, isn't it? But one thing which makes these bad boys very unique in its own way for the kind of brand they're presenting and the quality they focus on is not just the Type-C charging, but QI charging as well. So you just pop it into your QI charging pad and you get on to charging it. And if you want to do more with it, you want to keep control, it's got the touch control is there on the earbuds. So, from increasing volume to moving to the next track to answering the calls, rejecting the calls, all on touch. And if you want to have better control over them, just install the PaMu Quiet app on your smartphone. Connect when the PaMu is connected. You can customize your PaMu according to your requirements. So guys, I am absolutely in love with these and I love the case, though it's a little bit bulky to my liking per se, but it has a very unique design. It's got that luxury finish to it, the leather, the black, which I absolutely adore. So I think I'm gonna give it a shot and keep it with me, and plus the charging bit makes it easier. I just throw it on my QC pad and it just charges it up. I'm gonna enjoy the quality, and when you put it for charging, I actually tried plugging it in. It just lights up a little bit, so you'll love it. So yeah, guys, this is amazing. So PaMu Quiet, active noise cancellation earbuds, great product, great looking product, great tech inside it, and of course the great battery. It goes about 3.5-4 hours of usage only on the earbuds, and up to 18 to 24 hours with the case itself. It's a pretty big case, so you can imagine the kind of battery it packs in it. So guys, this is your friend, the great lobbyist, and I'm going to sign off with PaMu Quiet ANC, but I'm going to enjoy some good music on it. Why don't you go check it out and buy yourself one? It's priced very friendly, just a little under 500 dirhams, and you get this kind of an amazing quality with it. So enjoy it there, and let us know what you think about it in the comments. I'll see you guys next time in a couple of days with another video. In the meantime, keep yourself safe. Peace.